Now that you have watched the videos over the properties of integer exponents, let's do a few problems from your handout. On the first page, second row, we're told to write an equivalent expression in exponential notation with exponents for each of the following. The first one that you're given is 5 to the second power inside the parentheses being raised to the fourth power. I want you to practice writing the rule every time you do a problem. When we do a problem like this is called the power of a power property, and it is keep the base, multiply your exponents. So we're going to keep the base of 5, and we're going to multiply the exponents 2 times 4. So our equivalent expression is 5 to the 8th power. Our second expression is a to the second power times a to the 6th power. This is a product of powers property, and on this one we keep the base, add the exponents. Keep the base of a, and we're going to add the exponents 2 plus 6. So we have the expression a to the 8th power. Third on your page, it's covered up, so I want you to go by this one. It is 9 to the 4th power times 8 to the 4th power. This is the power of products. This is where we're going to multiply the base and keep the exponents. So we're going to multiply the two bases, 9 times 8, and we're going to keep their common exponent. So we end up with the equation or expression 72 to the 4th power. The last one in that section is 8 to the 9th power over 8 to the 3rd power. This is a quotient of powers property. This is where we keep the base, subtract the exponents. We'll keep the base of 8, and we will subtract the exponents top minus bottom. That order is very specific, as you'll learn in future lessons, and our equivalent expression is 8 to the 6th power. Let's try the word problem underneath this. A billboard has the given dimensions. Use exponents, write two equivalent expressions for the area of the rectangle. We want to find the area of this rectangle using exponents. So let's start with how to find the area of a rectangle. That is area equals base times height. In this problem, the base is 7 to the 2nd power feet. We're going to multiply this by the height. The height is 4 to the 2nd power feet. This represents the power of products property, where the bases are different, but the exponents are the same. And to do the power of products property, we will multiply the base and keep the exponents. Multiply the two bases, 7 times 4, keep their exponent. And that gives us 28 to the 2nd power. So two expressions that we've been given in this problem, 7 to the 2nd power times 4 to the 2nd power, and 28 to the 2nd power. We could also use our work form as a third expression. What I want you to do now is finish the two handouts for this lesson, and if you have any questions, I will be online from 2:15 to 3 o'clock Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday on our virtual link on Canvas. You can come to me with any questions, and I will update the answers in a couple of days.